warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Shafika Amirah binti Jusof, alias Abdurrahman from 4BTMM Section 2. Today, I would like to present the influence of Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital biz industry as a title for my final year project. Okay, why I choose this topic? Because during internship, I studied a lot about Facebook ads. The company that I have interned, they use Facebook ads as a tool to market and selling their product. They use a very good copywriting to attract customer. So I want to explore and encourage people to doing business by using copywriting and also by using copywriting in Facebook ads. My chapter 1 is introduction and background of the study. I focus more to the marketing. Marketing is one of the essential process required for the effective management of a business organization. It is especially thus involved in the productions of goods and service. Copywriting in marketing. What is copywriting? Copywriting is activity or job of writing ads, text or publicity material. It's also optimal use of language to promote or persuade customer. The optimal way to communicate use Facebook ads copywriting to create interest of ads. We can see that every ads on the Facebook we have simple copywriting to attract customer, right? Okay. So next, Facebook ads. Facebook ads tool developed by Facebook to manage advertisements on this social network and ads displayed in the audience network. Facebook is unique position. Why? Because it allowed the advertiser to create and target their ads, like they can target the gender, the age, the place, like that. And they can set campaign budget, view history, and collect data about previous and ongoing ads. So it's more easier to business and to marketer to doing their business. Next, move to the problem segment. The purpose of this study is to illustrate certain influence of copywriting from the social networks such as Facebook ads as a modern day phenomenon, and according to the Rahmah Act 2018, stated in this technological advanced era, promotional strategy and advertising technique have changed radically because of the digital platform. The main focus of this study is focused on how Facebook ads as the most popular global social network and also an important copywriting channel from the perspective of exciting ads on a social network while showing their problem. According to the Bohdan Pickers and Gabi Sorrentino 2014, stated the growth of the internet usage has created a platform for business to attract and retain customers. So, in essential in this direction of problem, this study will summarize the strategical policy Facebook advertising in the marketing environment. Here, my research question and research objective. My research question 1 is there are significant relationship between the Facebook ads copywriting and marketing performance improvement in digital biz industry. And my research question 2 is does copywriting of Facebook ads copywriting give an effectiveness toward marketing performance improvement in digital biz industry. And my research objective is, my first research objective to examine the significant relation of Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital biz industry. And my second research objective is to identify the effectiveness of Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital biz industry. Okay, this is my summary for independent variable, which is I have 3 independent variable. My first independent variable is consumer buying behavior. Consumer buying behavior refer to the action taken by consumer before buying a product or service. Okay, according to the M. Ramia S. Muhammad Ali 2016, consumer buying behavior concern on how customers decide what product they want and how that evolution is going to be and it is impact on future purchases. Next, strategy advertising. Okay, strategy advertising is the way of communications to convince an audience for taking purchase decision about a product or service and delivering information to the viewers. According to the Boni Al-Dronini and Jerome Jailer 2013, stated that strategy advertising provides everything needed to be successful as an advertising professional in today's fast-changing media environment. And the last one, promotional tools. Promotional tools was developed by Facebook to manage advertisement on this social network and ads display in the audience network from December 2010. Total tools to enable customers to share their experience, idea, interest, and useful information about the brand. And promotional tools was effective source to reach target customer. So this is my literature review, and you can see here my conceptual framework. I have 3 independent variables: consumer buying behavior, strategy advertising, and promotional tools. And my dependent variable is marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. I want to explain more about dependent variable, which is marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. Okay, digital-based industry refers to an economy that is based on digital computerized technology, also progressive perceived in this lending business through market based on the internet and the World Wide Web. So, based on the marketing productivity model proposed by Ross 2004, marketing performance domains are identified and analysis, providing complete approach to measuring and managing marketing performance from marketing strategy to impact on results. Okay, hypothesis. I have 3 hypotheses that I got from my research, and my first hypothesis objective: there is no significant relationship between consumer buying behavior and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And my hypothesis that I got is there is significant relationship between consumer buying behavior and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. My second hypothesis: there is no significant relationship between strategy advertising and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And hypothesis that I got: there is significant relation between strategy advertising and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And the last one: there is no significant relation between promotional tools and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. Then hypothesis that I got: there is significant relation between promotional tools and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. Okay, my chapter 3 is about methodology. First, research design. Research design in this research use explanatory as a survey method. Okay, explanatory research aim to gain a better understanding between a variable when research find it could be impossible to come up with research statement. Explanatory research aim to determine the variable and key element within a problem or situation. This type of research usually adopt a quantitative method in a data collection. Next, methodological choice. This research using quantitative study as a methodological choice. Our goal is conducting quantitative research study is to determine the relationship between the influence Facebook ads copywriting and marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. This study is quantitative research where the source of information are gathered from the questionnaire. The questionnaire has been distributed to digital-based industry. Next, sampling design. This research is based on data collected as part of a survey that utilized Facebook ads to sample design if digital-based industry. Based on the Crunchy and Morgan table, the research succeeded in sampling a total of 214 individuals who complete the relative attentive questionnaire within the 5 period of 8 weeks. The result from the Facebook sample design survey from the digital-based industry for a set validation questions. Last one, and the last is about data analysis, which we have 3 data analysis, which is the first one, reliability analysis, multiple linear regression, and person correlation coefficients. Move to the chapter 4. And this is my result of analysis that I got from my research. You can see the reliability statistic, and my Cronbach alpha that I got, the value is 0.926, which is greater than 0.7, and no item should be removed in this test because the reliability between the item is high, and the Cronbach alpha is 0.926, which is above 0.9, and it is excellent. You can see the multiple regressions here and also the correlation analysis. You can see my R value, and the conclusion we can conclude that the R value show positive relationship between the independent variable and dependent variable. Next, move to the discussions of hypothesis. So here is my result from hypothesis that I got from my research. And you can see that my first independent variable, consumer buying behavior, the T value that I got is 2.491, and my result was accepted. Okay, there is positive of consumer buying behavior, the Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. My second independent variable is strategy advertising. The T value from my research is 2.192, and my result was accepted. Strategy advertising will affect the Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And my last independent variable is promotional tools. The result I got is 10.558 and my result was accepted. Promotional tool as one of the factors that affect the Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. Discussions of research objective. I have two research objectives, which is the first one to examine the significant relationship of Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And from this research, I got result which is R square is 0.746 while F value is 2005.681, and it can conclude that significant relations of Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And the next objective to identify the effectiveness of Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. And the R square is 0.746 while F value is 205.681, and it's mean the value of significant relations of independent variable with dependent variable, which the p value is 0.000 and it can be significant. Significant contribution of a result. I have three significant, which is the first one about knowledge. People should increase education in the Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in the digital marketing, because 23.8% of a user are from others. Next is organization. Digital-based industry should increase the frequency of worker, because 35.5% of respondents come from marketer. And the last one, government. Supports the government in the implementation digital marketing, which is can be seen 46.3% of respondents know about Facebook ads copywriting. Recommendation for future research. I have three recommendations, which is the first one, future research to cover all states in Malaysia. It is because Facebook advertising on digital marketing start from all business worldwide, and the use of digital marketing is also universal. Therefore, by covering it all, future research study will be easier to analyze the data and can be used for a reference. My second recommendation is future research should examining and investigating a variety of variables relevant to the topic, so that researcher can also do more detailed research to explore more theories throughout the study. The last one, face-to-face questionnaire distribution should be used in this future study, and so it can have more opinion and experience better. Next, for conclusion, in this research, three of independent variables, including consumer buying behavior, strategy advertising, and promotional tools, are proven to have significant relationship with Facebook ads copywriting toward marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry. In addition, the research consists of total 214 respondents, and the data collected was analyzed using SPSS version 22. Based on the finding of the study, it can be concluded that the influence of Facebook ads copywriting significant influence of marketing performance improvement in digital-based industry, and all research objectives were achieved in this research. Finally, this research has met all the chapter research and has met all the objectives in this research in general. The collected data also answer the research objective in this study.